alphabet. A for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means Kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means Hathi. F for fish. Fish means Machli. G for grapes. Grapes means Angur. H for hen. Hen means Murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug.